Hello guys, one more time we are here. Now today we are changing the battery for MacBook Air. So how to change this one is very easy. Just open the back cover. All these are the star screw. Okay, so use star screwdriver to open the back cover. So one by one open that one screws. After that one remove the cover. Then there is also screw on the battery, same stars screws, so use star key and always very careful to open the battery screws because this is very small screws, and use the exact size of the screwdriver to open them. So just open the all screws one by one and remove the battery. Now put the new battery, and always remember that don't connect the connector of the battery first. Always first you tighten up the screws of the battery. When you finish that one, then you connect the battery connector with the motherboard. Okay, so always do like this. So first we tighten up the screws one by one for all the battery screws. Then when finish this one, then we connect the battery and always check the screws, the size. So the first side, the down size is always use the small screws. So don't put the big screws on the bottom side. Where is the your mouse pad, that is the bottom side, so don't use the bigger screws there. Now we are connecting the battery connector with the motherboard. When finish this one, then we put the back cover. In same method here, please check your screws. The small screws always use on that down size. Down size is the keypad size, where your mouse pad. Okay, so always use the exact screws. Okay, so thank you.